Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if you haven't seen Jerry Rig Everything's channel, go check it out. He does some stress tests and basically destroys all the new phones so you can see how rugged they are, that kind of thing. It's kind of sad to see on one hand, but on the other, he is showing the scratch resistance of even the new screen, and the iPhone has the new ceramic coating. It's supposed to be 4 times stronger, but it still scratches, and so with that said, we're going to install a screen protector today. And so this Protect On brand is what you can find at Walmart. It's inexpensive, and I already did the case. I'll give you a review on that too. But I'll show you how easy this is to install. It's not like the older ones where you need a squeegee and spray Windex all over it and everything like that. They have it down to a better art now. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to install, and we'll get started. So, of course, you want to start off with a clean screen, and I have these brand new microfiber towels from Costco that I'm going to go ahead and start with, a little bit of Windex and get it nice and clean. Other than that, the kit does come with some provisions for you, so we'll go ahead and use what's in the kit as well. But just make sure that it's clean because you don't want any dust or anything trapped underneath the screen protector. So next you'll use the provided alcohol swab, and so this will help clean everything and disinfect it as well, which is very important. So we're going to go ahead and just put this over the top and just go up and down, side to side, and get it nice and clean. And I like to dry it off with a clean microfiber as well because it will leave some streaks, and then it gives you a little microfiber towel as well. So we'll go ahead and use the one in the kit too to kind of clean that off. And just make sure that there's no dust or debris or fingerprints or anything that's going to be trapped underneath the case. Next, they give you this little sticky pad, so you're going to peel it off, and it's going to help collect any other dust or anything that's left behind. This is kind of what the phones used to come with that you would take off. We're just going to work our way down the phone and just try to trap anything that's left behind, and then just give it a good wipe down when we're done again. Next, it's going to give you these little stick-on tabs that you're going to put on the front side, and this is going to help us hold it and lower it down. So now you're going to pull off the backing, and you want to be really careful from this point on because now any dust or anything that gets on here is there for good. So we put the little handles here on each side, and now we're just going to hold this tight and just put it as level as we can and center it the best that you can. We only want to put this down once, and so just get it the best that you can, and then just let it make contact. Okay, then you're going to run your finger from top to bottom all the way down, and do that a few times, and that should help it seat perfectly. And you will see some bubbles start to form, as I'll show you here. So you can see these bubbles here in the corner. They do go away. Do your best to try to work them out and go side to side, but if they're still there, don't worry about it too much. But just do your best to get it on there as flush as possible and work them out to the side, and you should be good. So anyway, it's cheap insurance because, again, even though the iPhone's new screen is stronger and everything, it still will scratch. So just make sure you take care of it properly, and this is an easy thing that you can do, and then just take it off and replace it with a new one, you know, if it does start to scratch here and there down the road. So thanks for watching, and check out my other videos that I have in a playlist. I'll put that in the video description, and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.